In this video, we're gonna see if it's possible to convert Google Play balance into Amazon gift cards. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. As you can see, I've opened up the latest version of the Google Play Store, and if I click on my icon at the top right corner of the screen, I have three relevant settings for our searches and needs. We have the Manage Apps and Device, Offers and Notifications tab, and also the Payment and Subscriptions. Starting with Payment and Subscriptions, in here we only have four options: the payment methods registered to this account, subscriptions active, budget and history of purchases, or the option to redeem a code. As you can see or assume, none of these will help us into converting our balance into a gift card. Likewise, if we go into the Offers and Notifications tab, it only gives us the option to redeem a code as well, and does not have a way to transfer our balance into another website, or in this case, Amazon gift cards. The only method I know of using our Google Play balance outside of the Play Store is by using the Google Pay app inside the Google Wallet app. This way, you can use the balance in your Google Play account to pay in other websites and services that allow Google Wallet as a payment method. Besides this, it is impossible to convert Google Play balance into Amazon gift cards. Google Play does not allow you to spend your balance elsewhere, and you need to use it within the Google Play Store. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to convert Google Play balance into Amazon gift cards. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.